How's it going, everybody? So today I'm going to show you all how to fix your children's or your figurines. All right, all action figures. I don't believe it matters, considering I've found different tactics for each of them. So let's just jump right into this. So you can clearly see right there that his arms have been detached. Well, you know, the plastic's broken. All right, what to do? So you may need a drill. This is what I would recommend. You may need either a tiny screw, whichever size you can find, or you may need a little trim nail, depending on which method you choose. So jump right into it. What we're going to do right here is I'm just going to see right where that plastic's broken and go ahead and let you see that it still is. So I'm going to drill directly through where that socket was, or ball and socket, ball joint, whatever you would like to call that plastic piece. I recommend also doing this above a trash can. That way. Okay, now you have a clear hole in each, all right? All right, clear hole straight through. So this one specifically, I already drilled a hole right through the arm spot, but I'm still going to show you because I can refine the hole as well just by doing it more. So now as they connect, all right, we're just going to put the correct arm, hopefully, to the correct side. And if you chose a screw, all right, we're going to go ahead and just start that screw. All right, you can grab some any kind of screwdriver or anything like that if you choose, but I just like to get it started hand tight. I line it up correctly where it's going to be, hold it tight like this. You could use a clamp, grab your other drill, well, whichever drill, swap out the drill bits, and then just hold it tight right there where you're just drilling it in. And you can see that I wouldn't need this long of one, or long of a screw, but guess what? I've had pretty good luck with just getting it on there. And so, if it's too tight and it's difficult, we still want him to be able to use his limbs, right? Well, I know that my son probably appreciates it that I allow it to maneuver. So, and if you have any issues with it hanging out, use a rounded screw, or just drill it in further. Try not to snap, but of course, and if you do that, then I would just recommend some glue. But other than that, that is that method. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish this guy off with the second screw. Oh, wrong drill. And yeah, make sure it's lined up very much so. You can also start it, for people that aren't so comfortable with drills, you can start it right there and then just go ahead and put the tip of the drill, or sorry, of the screwdriver in the figurine right there, and then you can just hold it in place and just kind of roll with it. You can let the arm spin, that way you know when you've got motion, when you don't. A lot of times you'll tighten it too tight right off the bat, just like I did right there. All you have to do is just put the drill right in reverse, just barely tap that right there, and then now you have your mobility. So that is how I have found ways to kind of increase my son's enjoyment and the longevity of his figurines and Avengers that he really loves. So that is the first method.